No, you're gonna hop in. No.
Okay, now we're actually going. What's up, buds? My name's Molly.
My name is Heidi.
And we are doing our first YouTube video. A dorm tour, as you read in the title. It is bad lighting because it's nighttime and we waited for our roommates to be gone because this is our first video and, you know, we don't even know if we're actually going to do it. But we'll see. So here we go.
Here we go.
Okay.
Okay. Starting off, here's our dorm. We have a nice mirror in it. Yes. Okay, and then...
Courtesies of the college. Okay, sorry.
Our trash and recycling, it's a mess right now, so just don't mind that. Here we have hooks for each of us, our like robes or towels or coats for the winter or something. And then we have SMHC. It was like a little roommate bonding thing we did in the beginning of the year. So yeah, we have those up there.
Here is my hook and Heidi's hook.
Yep.
Yes.
Here's our like little kitchen area. Our roommate brought this for all of her snacks and such, and was nice enough to let us use it.
Let you use it?
Okay. I'm the only one using it. But yeah, and then she also bought this fridge, or someone bought it, and we always have like a food quote on it. So it's right now it says why food great when I gotta lose weight, or whatever Lizzo said. Yeah, I think it's funny.
Oh, I'm in this mirror. That happened last time too.
Okay, so there's the fridge. I brought this microwave that we weren't using. Just our green box from food. Got some apples. Oh yeah, tapestry.
Ooh.
From
Sade.
Sade.
Mm-hmm.
Sade. And then onto my stuff. Here's my desk. It's just got like pencils and markers and hair ties and lotion and stuff, and then like snacks and dishes. So yeah, that's that. I got that at IKEA, if you couldn't tell. And then this I got from Molly for my birthday. This I keep changing. Little cactus thing and perfume and my snacks.
Nice, some animal crackers.
Animal crackers. Onto my desk. This is a blanket I've had for a while. I don't know where I got it. My water bottle from London. Computer, Polaroid phone, or Polaroid. That doesn't work, but yeah, I feel bad for breaking it, so I just keep it up here. And then I got a flower frame thing at, what's it called? Hobby Lobby. And then some pictures I printed and had ordered. And then, yeah, that's about it. Our desk has this nice like pull-out thing, which I use all the time. So yeah, and then here I just have like, these are my junk drawers. Junk.
Nice.
Like, yeah, lotion and my toothbrush and medicine and random stuff. And down here is like hair stuff and headphones and yeah, just random stuff.
Random stuff.
And here's my backpack. And I keep my binder down there, and then just some like bags. If we decide we want to go home, we can pack our bags and head out.
And head out.
And head out. And I have the top bunk, so this is mine. I got the bedding from TJ Maxx, and yeah, I'm very happy with it. And then this I got from Molly again for Christmas, I believe.
Si, señorita.
At Shopko, which is no longer.
It is now out of business.
Now out of business.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, and then a fan because our dorm has no AC, which is great. That's it.
So now we're doing this the second time because Heidi forgot to press record. Okay. So this is my bed. Heidi's on top. Thank her lovely heart, and I'm on bottom. Thank my lovely heart. No, I'm kidding. So I just have photos of me, my friends, and my family all around there. It's not even or level or whatever. It's crooked. I know. Don't tell me, because I know. Okay. And then I have a painting of C-3PO that I painted last year in art class because I like Star Wars. This bedding is from IKEA. This is from IKEA. This is from Dollar General. This is from TJ Maxx. This is from Dollar General. And then these are my pillows that just have sheets and a sham. Yeah. Oh, and then this is my dresser, which just has like t-shirts and pajamas and underwear and all that. Here's my backpack that I use just to carry around my laptop because I don't use my textbooks barely ever, which I should use them more, but I don't. Yeah.
Don't buy textbooks until you find out if you actually need them.
Yeah, because literally I bought a $200 like online textbook thing that I only needed for like the first 3 weeks of class, and I haven't used it since. So, and I bought it to use it for 12 months. Okay. Purse. Other purse that Heidi got for me for my birthday. Target. Okay, now we've got this awkward corner, which is actually really nice for me, just because I have kind of like a little secluded space. But up there I have a little thing of London. Yep. And then I just have some mac and cheese, some dishes, cups, and then drinks like tea and sugar for my tea and chai powder and apple cider powder. I have popcorn, club crackers, applesauce, granola bars. I have some worksheet stuff from classes that I feel like I shouldn't throw away until the class is done. Yeah. And then this top drawer, I have hairbrush and nail polish and scissors and pens and pencils and a bunch of those things. And it's just a mess, but it's good for me. And then this drawer, this is a junk drawer, which has like everything, like my deodorant, Polaroid, phone cases, makeup bags, batteries, tape, everything. I have some cords, laptop, phone, whatever, key, I have this nice little tack board with some cute little cactus tacks. Zoom in on my cactus tacks.
Okay.
These are adorable. I love them. Make life worth it. And I just have some more like important papers, and then folders and stuff that I don't use. Okay, then just some decor pieces, including some jewelry, tips, and Cheer Up Buttercup from my dad. So he says Toughen Up Buttercup, but I wrote Cheer Up instead of Toughen and whatever. This is from Heidi, a little Peter Parker from her Pop-Tart box. A little baby from Xochitl for my birthday. And then for my first college party, I painted a Sunshine Rock. I'm a wild one. No, I'm kidding. Okay.
Yep.
Then I have some little fun sayings up on the wall that are telling you to be nice and kind. And that's all in my space. Now we're going to go into general fun space.
Okay. I gotta back up.
Yeah, sounds good. So first we have this nice little moon mirror from Xochitl. This cute little plant from Juana. AKA
Heidi.
Then we have a pumpkin garland from Xochitl and some little twinkle lights on there from Heidi for fall. We just took down our like Halloween decor today, so meaning just some window stickies and this thing that Xochitl put on the door. Yeah. So I have my textbooks here and my little grass, and Heidi has some of her textbooks over there and her little grass. Actually, it's my grass, but I'm letting her use it. Got a little scenty thing back there, a nice kind of okay couch. That one that was like $100 from Target, that couch. Futon, sorry, not a couch, futon. We got some pillows from, I think, all of us except for Heidi's. Like, I think that's Xochitl's, Sade's, Xochitl's, mine. And this blanket's mine. Yep. And this is their space over here. Should we mention the rugs, do you think?
Why not?
Okay. And the rugs. This one is mine, that one is mine, and this one is Sade's.
This one is
the best.
Ridiculously comfortable.
meaning it's ridiculously comfortable because the rest is just cement.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's 2 closets, both the same size, but there's 4 girls, so we have to share closets, which that might be a normal thing in colleges, but I'm not into it. So on this door we have some photos from Heidi that she generously donated to decorate this door.
It was too empty.
It was too empty. So just like friends, and this one just has friends on it. Yeah. And like locations that we both be at because we hang out all the time. We can't do anything separately. Okay, and then here are some Polaroids. Some are Heidi's, some are mine. Mostly just friends. There's a couple sister, mom ones in there. I don't think I have any with my dad or brother. So.
Cool.
Okay. Now this is the closet. We have much space.
Yeah.
So on this side I have shelves, which just has like pants and shower stuff and shoes and a bunch of dirty clothes back there, by the way. And then on this side, Heidi has shelves, which just has like some mittens and
like
pants.
Winter stuff, and then jeans, sweaters.
I like this.
Yeah, me too.
Towel.
Towel and
Shoes. Okay. And then you gotta show your belt collection.
Oh yeah, I like.
Of belts.
Okay, so the switch is right here, so I just had to scoot this over and put hooks for my belts.
For your belts.
Yeah.
Yeah. I put hooks back here for my belts.
Okay.
And bags. Yeah, exciting. Okay. And then up here there's just like boxes that has like medicine and like toiletry things, and then cleaning stuff. I actually don't know what's in there, but I think cleaning stuff. And then we have this cute toolbox that my dad got us, some Lysol wipes, some dishes and laundry, and what's in this bin, Heidi?
My hammock.
Heidi's hammock that she hasn't used. And then in here Heidi has the laundry stuff.
I don't know.
Laundry stuff.
Laundry stuff.
And command hooks.
Wait.
And the empty light box.
Oh, it's empty.
Because we broke those, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we just broke my old lights, so I was like, oh, maybe there's more, but there's not. So that's going in the garbage. Actually, recycling. Yep.
That's gonna go in the video.
Yeah.
Okay. Then there's only actually 1 rod in this closet, so Heidi bought this like extender thing so that it like goes down, so that we have 2 rods. So I'm on top, just because we're like, I'm taller, I'll take the taller one. But then Heidi only got like 2/3 as much space as where I got 3/3. I got the full optimal amount of space because it only goes this far. Yeah.
Yeah.
But so I have a bunch of clothes hanging up and pants, and
Yeah, so
this is my favorite part. Okay.
so the bar that I have is just shorter than the real bar.
Yeah. Mhm.
Mhm.
Okay. That
Awesome.
is the entire tour. Respect to the front. Oh, we have this nice little rug from Zocho.
Oh, yeah.
My one sock is inside out, but you know it's cute. It's chill.
cute.
Yeah.
And yeah.
We don't need to explain. There's a mirror on this door, but this is like warped, so we don't use this mirror.
All right. So that's the end of our video. I hope you guys liked it.
And if you did like it, please like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you can get notified when we post. Like this is our first video, but you know, maybe.
Yeah.
Bye, buds. Goodbye, my buds. Goodbye, buds. Bye, buds. There, bye, buds. That's what we're doing, not goodbye, buds. Bye, buds. Yeah.